In this lesson, we will learn about another important inbuilt data structure in Python, which is sets. So what are sets? Sets are a group of unique elements without any ordering. So the two important aspects, unique, which means all the elements in a set are unique, and there is no ordering within a set. So set does not maintain an order. Sets are optimized for checking whether it contains a specific element or not. So it's very powerful and useful for checking whether an element belongs to a set or not, and it is optimized for it. Let us start learning how to use sets. So here I have declared a list 1, which has these 5 values 1, 3, 4, 4, 5. As we can notice, 4 is coming twice in this list. So in a list, we know it maintains order and any duplicates or any such constraint is not there. So we are now constructing a set 1 is equal to set list 1. Now when we do it, we have as an output a set created, and when we print set 1, what will get printed on the screen is the set, which will be 1, 3, 4, 5. So typically a set is with these kind of bases, these curly braces, whereas the lists had these square brackets. So this is the set which gets created, and we can notice that there are no duplicates in this set. Remember, this is any order, so order is not maintained in a set. Let's look at the next example. So here we have a list 2 which has 5, 6, 6, 6, 5, and we are constructing a set 2 is equal to set list 2. Now what will be the elements in this set? It will have only 5 and 6 because the rest are duplicates. So when we print set 2, what will get printed is 5, 6. A set can have any kind of data types to it. So it can have numbers, it can have strings, it can have decimals, and they can also come in the same set. So there is no constraint that they need to be of the same type. So here we have a list of strings or characters, and list 3 has A, B, A, C, B. When we construct set 3, which is set of list 3, what will be the set looking like when we print it? It will obviously be A, and then it would have B, and it would have C. The rest are duplicates, and hence they will not come within the set. Let's look at another way to create a set. So like we were able to declare lists, this is the way we will declare a set. So now when we print the set, what will get printed is 1, 3, 4, 5. Suppose when we are specifying a set, there were duplicates in it. Like in this case, there are duplicates. So when we print set 2, what will get printed is the unique elements. So the set will only consist of the unique elements. So it will be 5, 6. Similarly, when we construct set 3, what will happen? It will consist of the unique elements, which in this case is A, B, and C. So this is the set that will get constructed in this case. So this is another way to create sets. In the previous one, we had learned how to create sets from a list, and this is another way to create a set. Let us look at some operations within a set. So here we have set 1 is equal to 1, 3, 4, 4, 5. So when we print set 1, what will happen? It will print the set which is 1, 3, 4, 5 unique elements. So remember, set has unique elements, so one of the 4s gets discarded. Now we are saying set1 dot add 6. So what does add do? Add will add another element to the set if it did not exist before. So is 6 in the set? No. So once we add it and print it, what will get printed is 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we are saying set1 dot add 4. Now when we are adding 4, it will try and add 4, but 4 is already there. So a new 4 will not get added because set has unique elements. So once we print set 1, what will get printed is the same set that we printed earlier. Then we are saying set1 dot discard 1. So what does discard mean? Discard means it removes this element from the set if it is present. If it is not present, it does not do anything. But if it is present, it will remove it from the set. So 1 will get removed from the set. So when Now we print the set. What will get printed is 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we are saying set1 dot discard 8. Now is 8 present in the set? No. So it will not get discarded, but nothing will happen. No error is given in this case. It will just, when we print it, the same set gets printed. So these are two important set functions, add and discard. Let us look how do we iterate through a set. So if we have to print all the elements in a set, how will we do it? So we have created the set1 is equal to a, b, c, d, and then we are doing print set1. So what will get printed is a, comma, b, comma, c, comma, d. There are no duplicates, so all the 4 elements are in the set. Now we are saying len1 is equal to len set1. So what will be len1? Len1 tells us the value, the length of the set. And suppose we wanted to add a print len1, what will get printed on the screen? Let's check. So when we say print len1, what will get printed is 4. Then we are saying for ch in set1. So this will iterate through all the elements of set1. Print ch. So what will start getting printed on the screen is a, then b, then c, and then d. So this is the way we can iterate or go through all the elements of a set. So for ch in set1, and we can then print that ch, or we can do anything with it. So here we have learned how to iterate through all the elements of a set. The final thing we will learn in this lesson is the in operation. So we remember we had said that sets are optimized for checking whether an element is present in the set or not. So how do we do it? So here we have constructed a set from a list, and when we print the set, the list one is 1, 3, 4, 4. So once we construct set 1, what will it have? 1, 3, 4. So once we print it, what will it have? 1, 3, 4. Now we are saying for I in range, let's maybe put the print here so that it's easier for us to follow. So set 1 in this case is the set 1, 3 and 4. Now what are we saying? For I in range 1, 6. So I will start taking the value 1 first. When I takes the value 1, we are saying if I in set 1. Now what does in do? In will return true or false depending upon whether I was there in set 1 or was not there in set 1. So when I is 1 and we check I in set 1, so is 1 there in set 1? Yes, so it is true. So it will print stri plus in set. So what will get printed is 1 in set. Next I will take the value 2. Now it will come to if I in set 1. 2 is 2 in set 1? No, it is not there. So it will go to else and it will print 2 not in set. Similarly for 3, what will happen? 3 we will get 3 in set. For 4 we will get 4 in set. For 5, what will we get? Not in set. And this loop will run till 5 only and it will get over. So in operator here helps us find out whether an element is there in a set or not. Okay.